Hey guys, my name is Eilish and welcome to Scribble and Stitch. Since this is the first video on this channel, I thought I would show you guys the different projects I'm working on at the moment in a little bit of a what's on my work table sort of thing. I have a few in the works because I get distracted easily and can't seem to only work on one thing at once. So why don't we pop on over to my work table and I will show you guys what I've got going on over there. So the first project I have here is a little travel sewing kit that I made from the cabbage of a few other projects. It has a built-in pincushion and a little pocket for my snips. It's almost completely finished. I just need to move the pocket down a little bit because whenever I put my snips in there, they like to run away. The next piece is this dress, which is also almost completely finished. It's actually the first full garment I made entirely by hand. I based this lovely bit of gathering on the front of the bodice on an 1840s dress, which I'll link in the description, but I styled it a little more 1950s with a half circle skirt and no sleeves. I'm really happy with the construction and fit of this dress. However, the inside is... But hey, it has pockets! Next we have a project that is a lot less finished. Eventually, I'm hoping to turn this into a 40s style blouse with some cute lace detailing, but I have a few other projects you'll see in a moment that have like actual deadlines, so this one is on the back burner for a bit. I'm really happy with how I attached the lace to the placket here. This project is one of my big projects and is my first foray into historical costuming. There's a large medieval festival nearby in July, and Elle and I are planning on attending, so I decided I was in need of a smock and a kirtle. The smock is well on its way to being complete. I based the pattern on a shift tutorial by the wonderful Bernadette Banner. I'm really proud of how well my hand-felled seams are coming along. I've also completed the first mock-up of the kirtle and I'm in the process of refining the fit before I start on the proper garment. Finally, we have my current major project. My mother is getting married in May and I decided I should hand make my bridesmaid dress. I'm using this gorgeous fabric designed by Jocelyn Pruce and McCall's M7433. This is the first time I've worked with a commercial pattern and I'm really enjoying working with it. The mock-up fit me perfectly and I'm making steady progress on the dress itself. I'm learning lots of techniques like pleating and stay stitching and the like. I'm really looking forward to seeing this one completed. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the different projects that I have going on, and if you want to see more of any of them, let me know in the comments below. Give us a like and hit the subscribe and the YouTube things. You may well be hearing from my partner Elle sometime soon. We both have a few projects going on, and she'll be popping in on this channel every now and then to share what she's working on. So I hope you guys will stick around and join us to see where this journey will lead us. Thank you very much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!